Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday, it's finally the weekend, and I wanted to film a weekend in my life vlog. I love filming these, and I have a few things going on this weekend. So my friends are coming over tonight. We're gonna have a game night and sushi night. So we're gonna eat sushi takeout, and play some games. So that'll be fun. And then on Sunday we might go to brunch, and we might go to DC. We might go to this place called El Teco, and if you're from this area, you probably have heard of it. And yeah, I think that's all. And tomorrow I'm not sure what I'm doing. I might just record some videos. Right now I'm in my room, I'm folding laundry. It's my first time doing laundry in like a week and a half, 2 weeks, so it's so much. I really need to start doing my laundry at least once or twice a week and just break it up into smaller loads. So when I wait till the very last minute, when I have literally no more clothes left. I changed my bed sheets last night, so I feel like I just need to put my clothes away to be completely all like cleaned up. We got our sushi. Angela, what is this called?
Japchae.
It's Korean.
Yeah.
Yup. It's Korean.
It's a long time.
Banchan?
Sorry, is that what's that one meal? What's that one meal?
Banchan?
Banchan. Hi guys, it's the next morning. Me and Anto are at breakfast. So Anto woke up at like 6:30 this morning on a Saturday. And I woke up at 9 because he was on the phone, so naturally I woke up. So we decided to come to breakfast. We're at Ted's Bulletin. It's like a retro like 90s, no, sorry.
Retro 90s.
90s.
Let me just take
It's like a retro 50s diner place.
Girl, they don't want to know about it. They want to know about Anto. I've been up since 6. I FaceTimed one of my boys. He thought I was sleepwalking. That's how early I woke up. But listen, we're getting breakfast right now. I'm gonna show you guys my screen right here.
Anto
this is today's
excited
schedule.
about college football.
There's like 20 games.
I'm excited too. When does Wisconsin play? Do we play today?
Damn, I got you. Let me, you know what I'm saying? Let me.
Your team is Miami still? Is it still Miami?
I like University of Miami and I like Maryland. But tomorrow, Washington football team, you already know I represent.
No,
I can't
Packers.
say Redskins anymore, you know what I'm saying? They took that away from us. But yeah, tomorrow's the NFL. It's gonna be crazy, bro.
We ordered our food, we're waiting for it. I got French toast and Anto got pancakes. I didn't really vlog that much last night. We had the laziest night last night. Like we just like watched a movie and
we had game night.
We did order donuts. Oh, we did have game night, but like I don't know, we played the what do you meme? No, we played what do you meme, and like the memes are so outdated. They weren't like funny at all.
And every time like my card was being read, I laughed out loud.
Yeah,
so I ruined it.
Anto
I gave it away.
was a little bit lit, so.
Listen, life is too short, y'all. Life is way too short.
We went to the vitamin shop after brunch and we got some stuff. Oh my god, I can't even lift this.
Is the size of my toe.
Oh, it's so big. I love how we have a box of donuts here and then all of our healthy stuff. And then he got BCAAs.
BCAAs are very important.
And then I got, this is for me, that's for him. I got the women version.
Yeah, BCAAs are very important for
muscle recovery and muscle strengthening, right? Yeah.
And it has electrolytes, I believe. They do some. I don't know what they do, but they do something.
My arms are killing me from our last workout, so I need to drink some of this now. The fire alarm went off. Gotta go outside. on some sunglasses.
I was taking a nap.
Hi guys, it's a few hours later. Today's just been a really weird day. Like, I don't know if you can hear right now, but there are alarms going off, like fire alarms. Like, I don't know if it's because there was legit a fire on the 5th floor today. I live on the 3rd floor, and they called, the leasing office called saying, just be aware, there might be some water falling from the ceiling because that's where the fire was on the 5th floor. And I was like, okay. Oh my god, you probably can hear it. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna vlog too long because the ringing is just so loud and annoying. So my neighbors, I think their fire alarm is going off now. It's just a super weird day. But anyway, I am currently sitting at my desk and I'm watching Remy. I love her so much. And I'm gonna edit a vlog. Not this one, I'm editing another one that's gonna go up. That's a separate one from this. I'm vlogging so much now. Oh, the beeping stopped. Thank God. Okay, the beeping stopped. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm vlogging so much now that I like have so much footage, and I need to like start like separating them into different folders and separating them into different vlogs, whereas before I didn't have enough footage. So yeah, I'm just organizing all of my footage right now, and I'm drinking the BCA drink. It is so good. You guys should definitely try that flavor. It's the peach flavor, iced tea peach. It's so sweet. Like, it doesn't even taste like anything. I think one scoop had 15 calories and it tastes delicious. And then I'm just eating a banana as my snack. I'm honestly not too sure what our plans are today. Anto is taking a nap right now, and I'm gonna work a little bit, like I mentioned, and I don't know. We're gonna just see how it goes. It is a Saturday, even though it doesn't feel like it. And tomorrow I'm going to my parents because football is on and the Packers are playing. In case you didn't know, I'm a Packers fan. So I don't have a Sunday NFL ticket. My dad has that. He has every single game imaginable. So I'm gonna go over there and watch the game with them. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog or not, but I don't know, we'll see. So I will catch you guys later. Hi guys, it's a few days later. So I have been busy working and like just, I don't know, doing lots of things. So I didn't vlog for like a day or 2 days, I can't remember, but today is Tuesday and so much has happened since then. I have lots of fun updates. I am sitting right now at the new dining table. I'll give you guys a bigger overview of the table, but yeah, the dining table finally came today and I'm so obsessed with it. It's so cute, it's perfect. It is a little bit big, but it's not bad. I like the size. Anto was complaining because he thought it was too big and he likes open space and he thought it made the apartment look smaller, but I don't know, I like it and I'm glad to finally just have a dining room table. And tomorrow is Wednesday and Anto and I are actually going to the beach for like a day trip. We're gonna stay overnight there. We're going to Ocean City, Maryland. We just literally planned this last night. We just said, hey, like we need a break. So let's go to the beach for a day and kind of just try to relax because we've both been working really hard and I feel like we're both really burnt out and we have a lot of like pressure in terms of work and just life stuff. So we want to just take a break and take a nice little day trip. And we've been trying to go to the beach. Well, we went to the beach in July and we wanted to go again in August and it never happened. And so yeah, we just wanted to take this trip. So we're just going for a day. We just got a hotel and we don't plan on doing anything except going to the beach. And I mean, it's still like okay weather. It's not as hot as it, you know, obviously was in like August, but it's still like in the 70s and I think that's perfect. Like we're still gonna go to the beach and spend the day there. Yeah, I'm excited. So since that was kind of last minute, today I kind of have been running around. I had to go to the post office, to UPS, I went grocery shopping, just taking care of things. I cleaned up and you know, the table came today, so I had to wait for that. So I'm gonna pack tonight and I'll vlog that beach trip. I didn't vlog the last time we went to the beach, but I plan on vlogging tomorrow and I think Anto wants to vlog too, so that'll be fun. And so yeah, I'll show you guys the table now. I know you guys have been looking forward to seeing that. So here it is. It is this black rectangle table and we really wanted a black table and I'm so obsessed with it. I think the IKEA chairs look so nice with it and the bottom of it is like a square. I don't know if you can see. Let me move the chairs to get a better look. I can't like explain it, but it's like such a modern shape. Yeah, there you go. That's a better look at it. So I love it. I think it's super modern, and it also came with like an extension, so you can add an addition to the middle. Like you can pull it out and make it longer pretty much, but it's already pretty big in this space, so we definitely won't be using that. But maybe like if we get a bigger place one day or a house, we can make it longer. But I love it. And I think it looks really good. And yeah, I don't think it's too big. I think it's perfect. So yeah, and then the placemats I got literally like 2 months ago. So they've just been sitting here not being used, but these are from Target. They came in a set of 4 and I love the natural look to them. And yeah, I'm obsessed. I love it. So finally got the table. So that means I can film my apartment tour soon, because this was the last big piece of furniture that we were waiting for. So you can look out for the apartment tour soon. I also finally figured out what to put above my bed in terms of artwork. I was deciding for so long what to put there, whether I wanted like a painting or a mirror, or I don't know. I didn't know what I wanted, so I finally figured it out. I got these 2 posters from Decenio, and I got these poster frames from Michaels because the frames that came on Decenio's website were so expensive. I think it was like almost $50 for a frame. This frame was like $12 or $13 for Michaels. So it's just this like plastic, like it's super cheap. It's like not the best quality, but I plan on just sticking it on my wall. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the prints that I got. I'm so excited. They are really cute. It's kind of hard to show with one hand, but this is the first poster. It is a photo, a black and white photo of a balcony in Paris. And the second one is this photo of this girl on a balcony in Paris. So I was trying to go for a little theme here, and I love it. So I'm gonna put them in the frames now, and I think we can get a better look at how they are. So here's what they look like framed, and I absolutely love them. I like how the 2 go together, and they're gonna look really good when I hang them up above my bed. And honestly, these frames, guys, I would not recommend. They're just super flimsy, and I mean, if you don't really like care like for quality, because like I didn't care for quality, because I mean these are just posters and I don't know how long I'll have them, and like I mean they do the job, but I don't know. I got a little bit frustrated trying to put these frames on, because these are like the type of things that you just kind of like take off and put on, and I don't know, it was just kind of frustrating. And then I think one of them I accidentally broke the like thing here, so I'm gonna have to use like what do you call those, double stick tape or something like that, command strips, that's what I meant. So I'll probably just hang these with command strips because they're super light. But I don't know, I just couldn't bring myself to spend $50 on a frame for a little poster. So this works fine for me. It still looks good, and yeah, I love them. I went to Trader Joe's and got some things. I mostly got snacks for our little mini road trip tomorrow, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. And I found so many things that like I've never seen before at Trader Joe's. I don't know if these things were new or if I've just have never seen them, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So first, nothing exciting, but I got sparkling water, got some eggs, again not exciting. I got some kettle chips, some granola bars. These are chocolate chip chewy granola bars. I thought they looked good. I got this light cheddar cheese for sandwiches. Oh, this I have never seen before, but I was so excited to find this Mexican style roasted corn. Antu and I are obsessed with Mexican street corn, like elotes and just all of this, so I'm excited to try that. Picked up these chili lime chicken burgers. So this I think is new. It's this no bake nut butter bar mix, and this looks so cool. All you do is add any type of nut butter of your choice and then honey or maple syrup. So I have almond butter that I plan on using with this, and then I'll add some honey to it. I don't really like syrup, I like honey. So yeah, and it's no bake, so oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love stuff like this. So I'm excited to make those. And then I got these buttermilk protein pancake mix. I got these for Anto because he likes everything with protein. He lifts a lot, and I've never seen this. I don't know if this is new either, but you just add water to it, and it has 10 grams of protein, 29 grams of whole grains, and 2 pancakes. And then I got some mochis just as a little snack for for when I'm craving it. And then I got this organic acai bowl. This looked good. And it has organic strawberries, blueberries, bananas, granola, and dried coconut chips. So that's gonna be a delicious breakfast one day. And I got the sesame honey almonds. I really love these. Then I caught a couple of flowers. I forgot how cheap, sorry you can't see my face, but I forgot how cheap Trader Joe's flowers are. So I got these hydrangeas. These are each $5 for a bundle, and look how thick that is. That's so many for $5. So I got 2 bunches. I'm gonna put one on my dining table, and then I think I'll put one on my nightstand table in my bedroom. And then just a few more things. I got my favorite La Colombe coffees. You guys know this is like my favorite, and I usually get the big jugs, but they didn't have them at Trader Joe's. So I found these cans, and they're the pumpkin spice flavor. So this is probably new for the season. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try this. I love pumpkin spice. Some more snacks for our car road trip. I got some white cheddar popcorn, and then these sweet plantain chips. And then I got a creamer just because I needed one. It's nothing special, just vanilla coffee creamer, some avocados. And then I restocked on these cauliflower thins that I've shown in a few vlogs before, but they're really good. The only thing is that they're so expensive. So like one of these was $4 or $5. It was like ridiculous. But anyway, I like to put avocados on these and make avocado toast. And then lastly, another snack for the road, dark chocolate covered raisins. This is a favorite of Otto's. So that is all that I got. I also wanted to show you guys this package that Liquid IV sent me. They sent me another little like gift box thing, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these flavors. They came out with new flavors. It is guava, watermelon, and apple pie. So I'm so excited. I actually tried the watermelon one today, and it's delicious. I'm so excited about the guava one and the apple pie. Oh, it's a little shopping bag. Oh, I love that. That's nice. And then here is a cup. And I think it has a lid. Yeah, right. Here's a lid. And then a straw, I believe. Here it is. Aw, thank you so much, Liquid Ivy, for sending this. The hydrangeas look so pretty in the sunset. This is just a vibe. I love it. I am very happy with this table and with this setup. I can't believe these hydrangeas were only $5 from Trader Joe's. Guys, Trader Joe's is the place to get flowers. I hung the posters and love it. Looks so good. I think it pulls the room together, and I don't know if I want to do anything else with this wall. I feel like might want to put something here and then something there. But for now, this is good. I like this. I didn't want anything too crazy looking, too like flashy or anything. I wanted something very simple. And I think that did the trick. So I just hung this up with command strips. And then I put the hydrangeas here onto his side. I still need to do more with his side table. My side table is kind of coming along. I have my like necessities, kind of messy, but yeah, I have mine kind of down, and yeah. So here's the room so far. All right guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm going to start packing for the beach and just kind of cleaning up, getting ready for tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and like I said, I will be vlogging the beach and the rest of the week. So look forward to that, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.